Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'll be demonstrating my recipe management system built using C Sharp. This project was developed to enhance my understanding of project-oriented programming, file handling, and user interaction in C Sharp. In this video, I will walk you through the key features of the application, how the code works, and what I learned from the development process. Alrighty, so um, the recipe management system is a console-based application that allows users to, one, add recipes by entering a name, ingredients, and instructions. Two, search for a recipe by its name. Three, display all stored recipes. Four, delete a recipe when it's no longer needed. And then save and load recipes from a text file for data persistence. This project helped me reinforce my understanding of C Sharp, fundamentals such as classes, lists, files, file handling, and user input validation. Now let's dive into the code. Alrighty, so to run the recipe, I just have to click here. Okay, so as you can see here is asking me to press 1 to edit recipe, 2 to search a recipe, 3 display all, 4 delete recipe, and 5 exit um, here. And um, the recipe class contains properties for name, ingredients, and instruction. It includes a method to display recipe details. The Let's talk about the program logic. The program maintains a list recipe to store the recipes in memory. A menu-driven interface guides users through available actions. And then we have add recipe that allows user to input a recipe and stores in the list. Then we have search recipe that scans the list for matching recipe names. Then display all recipes that loops through and prints all stored recipes, and then delete recipe that removes a recipe if it exists. Okay, let's see the program in action. I will first add a recipe. So let's go with number 1 and it'll ask me for a recipe name. So let's say burrito. And what does a burrito have? Okay, it has beans, flour, flour tortilla, peas, and then let's say chicken, rice, uh, pico de gallo, and it can have guacamole. All right, and now instructions. Let's say warm up the tortilla. Then add beans and rice, followed by the chicken, and on top of it, add pico de gallo, cheese, and guacamole. Okay, so now let's see if if it was really stored. So let's check number 3 first. All right, here it's my recipe. Um, let's add another one. Mm, Scrambled eggs. Okay, and now I have two recipes and let's search for one. There's a burrito, so let's search for my burrito recipe. And I actually want to delete one. Let's do, okay. And now I have a message saying that it was deleted. Let's make sure it has by, there you go. So see, I no longer have, probably should have used paper. There you go. Alrighty, so here is an overview to what I did um, with this. So I added the burrito recipe and I got a message saying that it was successfully added. Then I made sure it was there by displaying all. Then I added a new one and I display all of them. And then I search the burrito recipe and then I deleted the scrambled eggs. And yeah, this project was a great learning experience for me in understanding how to build practical console applications in C Sharp. It strengthened my knowledge of object-oriented programming, data persistence, and user interaction. Future improvements could include maybe adding a UUI version using WPF or Windows Forms, implementing a database for more scalable storage, or enhancing the search functionality with ingredient-based filtering. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on software development. See you next time.